As you can see from here, it is called rice porridge for the very good reason. See, you still get to see the rice grain very, very clearly. This is why it's called the rice porridge.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make a one-pot dish because I'm lazy. No, actually I just happen to have some really nice seafood with me. So I'm going to make a seafood Teochew porridge. Or you can call it seafood rice porridge. Now, the interesting part about making this particular dish is that if you don't want to add in the rice, then it's going to be seafood soup, right? So it can be either seafood soup or add in the rice and become seafood rice porridge. So let's quickly go through the ingredient that we need today. I have some cuttlefish. Yeah, first time I'm cooking cuttlefish. Do you know what's the difference between cuttlefish and squid? Basically, cuttlefish has more rounded shape, and the meat is more thicker as well. All right, then I have few pieces of prawns here, and also some pomfret fish. Yeah, so Teochew rice porridge, they love to use white pomfret, and I'm using white pomfret today. My white pomfret here is probably about 250 gram. Yeah, very nice. And there are few important flavor to add into the soup as well for making Teochew rice porridge. Let me zoom in. One of it is definitely this. This is the tong choy, yeah, one of the pickled veggie. Tong choy, any brand will do. We will put this later, and also this thing. This is actually the soulfish powder, 柴鱼粉, yeah, soulfish powder. I found it from the wet market. There are a lot of soulfish powder that you can find in the supermarket also, but sometimes I saw some MSG added inside, so I don't like those. I will try to get those which is nature, yeah, just like exactly like my cooking appa chicken stock powder. And then as the soup base, I will be using some anchovies, yeah, ikan bilis, very nice quality ikan bilis here. Clean it and also put it inside a tea bag so that the soup will not get messy. And this is important as well, coriander roots. Here there's some coriander roots and also the stems. This will help to remove some of the fishiness and also give it some enhanced flavor. Very refreshing flavor for your soup. Of course, I know there are some people who hated coriander. Then of course you just omit the coriander part, and a few pieces of ginger. And of course you need some hot water, or water will do. And here, of course, I have pre-cooked some rice. How much rice you want to put in? Seriously, up to you. So first of all, we are going to add in some filtered water. And we will put in the anchovies, few pieces of ginger, and some of the fresh coriander roots inside. Now some people say they are very scared of using anchovies to make soup because the soup become extremely fishy. Then the thing is, you need to use the right type of anchovies, which is try to get the higher quality type. Then it will be less fishy, and also some anchovies comes together with the head and some innards. Now you have to remove the innards and the heads as well. So we are going to cook this for approximately 5 minutes before we continue. Just now my mother-in-law gave me some raw garlic extra, so I might as well just add it in. So it's definitely optional on this. Yeah, no, you don't really need a raw garlic here, but towards the end you do need some fried garlic towards the end. So this is after approximately 5 minutes boiling. Yeah, now we are going to further season the soup. I'm putting in about 1 to 2 teaspoons of the soulfish powder. And few pieces of tong choy. Now you have all the Teochew flavor here. We can actually season this right now also with some salt, with some fish sauce. I'm using my favorite Vietnamese, premium Vietnamese fish sauce here. Yeah. You can put in a bit of rock sugar as well. Yeah. No problem. Wow, now it's very, very flavorful. So next thing, I'm going to put in the rice. As a matter of fact, the rice is also going to further sweeten the soup as well. And you can really put in any amount of rice that you like, no problem. There's no rules to this. So after the rice, I'm going to add in the fish, the prawn fruit fish. Wow, very thick. You can see how meaty it is. How meaty it is, look at this. And also I'll be putting in the prawn. I'll let this cook for about a minute or two before I put in the sotong, actually the cuttlefish. Alright, this is after approximately 2 minutes. There are some scums. Let me remove the scums so that it is you get a clearer soup. Yeah. And of course, I can also remove the anchovies. Alright. Next thing, I'll be putting in the cuttlefish, or you can put sotong. And I'll let it cook for another about 1 minute, then it is ready to be eaten. Okay, this is after another 1 minute. It's basically done. Of course, here we can actually give it few dashes of white pepper. Now, as you can see from here, it is called rice porridge for the very good reason. See, you still get to see the rice grain very, very clearly. This is why it's called the rice porridge. So now we are just going to serve. Alright, so here's my rice porridge. I'm going to top it off with some fresh coriander, some ginger, and some fried garlic with a little bit of white pepper on top. There you go. Some people will add a little bit of sesame oil, up to you. To me, it's really optional. Right, so here's my very simple rice porridge for you today. Actually, it's also my family dinner. As you all know, all the videos I make, 1,000 over videos I make on my channel, they are my family dinner. So you always know what I eat at home. Okay, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.